Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Brandie Price. I'm an image consultant for television and film, and I'm here to give you some insider tips for Halloween makeup this year. But before we get started, I want to tell you about a quick downloadable file for on-camera confidence. Download my 21-day guide checklist to on-camera confidence and make sure you're confident for all those family photos coming up this year. So to get started, for your flawless Halloween makeup routine, first you need to start with a base. And what I mean by that is you need to prep your skin. One of the main problems with DIY makeup is cracking, that makeup being too thick where it cracks, or you get blemishes the next day. So neither of those are favorable, right? So the first thing that I want to tell you guys about is this Olay Ultra Rich Cream. Okay, this is what I use to prep a lot of my clients right now this time of year. I know there are some of us that are still out there doing some Halloween makeup. This particular cream is going to build a barrier in between your makeup and your skin. It's going to give your skin the rich nutrients that it needs to maintain moisture, and that is imperative to getting a flawless Halloween makeup application. So you want to start with that, or a cream that is similar to this. I know this is on Olay.com for around $30, or you can check curbside pickup at some of your local retailers, depending upon where you're at, if you're high risk or not. The next thing that you want to do is draw out what you think. So many people overlook this with flawless Halloween makeup routine. They end up with something, like they get there, they get to the night and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna nail this, like it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be incredible. But then they start drawing it on their face and things get a little crazy and they're like, that's good enough. Well, I don't want you to be like, that's good enough if you're going out to a Halloween party this year, even if you're just getting ready for Instagram pics with your kids. So, I raided my daughter's art cabinet and got this Melissa and Doug drawing pad. You can use whatever drawing pad. You can use a Post-it note. It really does not matter. Get out your colored pencils and your just number 2 pencils. Sketch things out. Draw them a couple of times. That way you have some sustained thought in this makeup application. You're not going in dry, okay? You're going in with some nice, juicy, wet details that you need to be able to put into that face of makeup. The next thing that I want to talk to you about is going to be mixing your foundations. So I'm using this Makeup Forever Flash Color Paint. This is available in a lot of different colors. You can also use it in the Aqua XL version. And what this is it is a waterproof version of the same thing, essentially. So what you want to do is you want to use a little bit of your foundation in with the color that you are going to be. So if this is going to be a green witch, we want to use a little bit of green. We want to use about 2/3 of the amount, half to 2/3 of the amount of foundation we would normally use for regular application, and use the rest of that as the color so you can have a nice base. You can use this all the way down your neck as well, so you can be totally in character. You want to mix that together, and the reason why you want to do this is your skin is naturally used to the foundation that you are wearing on a regular basis, so it's going to have less tendency to cause any reactions that might cause pimples, zits, things along those lines on November 1st, which none of us want that, right? So you're going to mix that in together, get a nice creamy texture, and go ahead and apply that. Next, you're going to swap out your colored pencils for the artist color pencils that are from Makeup Forever. These are available in the regular artist color or in an XL blend. The XL blend just means that it is waterproof. So it depends on if you plan on kissing any goblins throughout the night, or if you think it's going to be rainy, which you never know, right? But you're going to go ahead and sketch out that same design from over here. You're going to sketch that out on your face, whatever it may be. You've got some sustained thought in it, so be confident in your skills. You're going to be working with a contour around your face, but you've drawn before, right? So it's going to be no big deal. Go ahead and color things in the way that you would like to shade them. Make sure that you find that eye, and then we're going to move on to glitter. If you need to have glitter, I recommend the Patrick Ta. It dries really fast, but it's a nice overall spray of glitter. Then it also smells really nice. I'm not sure exactly what they use in it, but it is an amazing scent. And it goes, you can put it all over your face, so you can localize it into particular areas. The next thing that you don't want to forget, like notice we're skipping powder here, right? We're skipping powder where that's normally gonna be part of your regular everyday routine. We're gonna ditch the powder because we've got a colored face. We have just made our face green or red or pink or blue, whatever color that we have made our face, we want it to stay that way, right? So we're gonna ditch that. We're gonna use Light Velvet Air. What it does is it actually sets the makeup. It creates a matte finish. So your glitter is going to sparkle just a little bit more once you put this on, which is fantastic. But also, if you put this in your purse or your candy bucket throughout the night, you can just give yourself a quick spray if you feel like you're getting a little bit oily or if you feel like your makeup is going to run for some reason. This can happen, especially if you're caught in the rain or if you are chasing down those trick-or-treaters, trying to make sure you're keeping everyone safe this year with social distancing and start sweating. So this is going to be a lifesaver and a game changer for you. And also, the absolute final step to make sure you're not getting blemishes is make sure that you are using makeup remover or a cleanser at night and taking everything off. Don't sleep with that witch on your face. Don't do it. So we hope that you guys like these tips. Go ahead and download that 21 Days to On-Camera Confidence down below, and we will see you next week with some more on-camera confidence tips.